But when you think about it, biology is the study of life. Just think about how broad that topic is. Maybe it's wildlife in Algonquin Park, maybe it's human life in our cities and towns, and maybe it's the search for extraterrestrial life in outer space. Western offers routes to all of those topics. I teach an exciting course in animal behavior where we touch on all those things and more. So I'm looking forward to seeing you here next year. I'm Dr. Graham Thompson.
One of the reasons that I chose biology, specifically at Western, was I wanted a well-rounded program. And to me, biology is one of those fields that incorporates so many different aspects of science and even social science, ethics, stuff like that. Well, I chose Western because, well, Western to me is one of the best schools in the country. And I felt that their science program was strong and it just appealed to me. It drew me in. Over the past 4 years, I have met a bunch of fellow biology students. And again, it just reinforces that sense of community, and it just also reinforces my love for biology. I have no regrets choosing Western biology, and I highly, highly recommend that you do so too. My name is Miriam, and I am a fourth-year biology student here at Western.
I teach ecology. I teach the second-year ecology course. I have 500 students. I love it. We have a huge interaction. There are small clubs that you can join, though, to find friends within the same group, same people that you're thinking about. And here you could also directly interact with your professors. My most fun is actually in the fourth year, where I take students down to Belize. Here we will journey off to a small remote island in the Caribbean Ocean, and we will explore the coral reefs. Here, I love swimming in the coral reefs, but mostly I love talking to my students in the evening. I like learning about you as scientists, how you think, and watching you grow and seeing the world through that scientific lens. I am Dr. Graham Taylor. This is my class. Won't you join me?
My first year was super scary. I wasn't really knowing what I wanted to do. And then my second year was a little bit better. I had a solid friend group. I was starting to really enjoy my classes because I had a little more freedom with it. And then third and fourth year just really was uphill for me. You have so much freedom in biology on what classes you pick, because for me, I didn't know if I liked evolution, genetics, like even geology or sciences. Like I like that all, and biology here at Western has that all. So if you aren't sure what you want to do, you will figure it out here. And third and fourth year, I've met a lot of really great friends and professors because your classes get smaller, the upper year classes. And yeah, I'm really fortunate to have been able to meet so many people. And even though Western's big, you get to know your faculty, and it's really an amazing experience. Some of the classes I've really enjoyed here because I like environmental and medical, and Western biology gives you like that whole experience. So I've taken like microimmunology, which I really enjoyed, and then I've even taken like genetics classes here and like evolutionary biology, which I love to learn about too. So it gives you the well-rounded experience, whether you like environment, animals, medicine, it gives you it all. The size can be intimidating, especially if you're coming from a small town, someone like me, but you get used to it pretty fast, and it just helps you become a well-rounded person, and you discover people and interests and classes that you never could have imagined in high school. Western gives you the independence to become who you want to be while growing up, but also providing support when you need it, whether it be emotionally, financially. If you just need someone, Western has it all for you. So if you're nervous about being on your own, don't be. They throw you in there pretty fast, but you get used to it and you figure out who you are, and that's what undergrad's about. If you're looking for an undergraduate experience that's going to be unforgettable, but you also want biology where you're going to be surrounded with world-renowned research and professors, Western biology is for you. My name is Rhiannon Punch, and I'm a fourth-year undergraduate biology student here at Western.
I'm in my third year here at Western, and I've had a very successful 3 years, both socially and academically. The social aspect of my success comes from the ability to be able to connect, network, and meet amazing mentors that have helped me develop through my first, second, and third year. And my academic success comes from primarily the fact that every single academic staff that I've met here at Western has always wanted the best for me, both academically and as my well-being. My name is Tirth. I'm a third-year biology student here at Western. Won't you join me?
Honestly, one of my favorite classes I've taken was first year biology. The lab experiences and the hands-on learning opportunities you have right from the get-go really increase your learning and understanding of the material. They allow you to take the concepts taught in class and apply them to real-life scenarios and further your understanding of the material. My name is Blake Correa. I'm a third-year student here at Western University, and I get to take some amazing classes like cell biology and ecology, and I'm really loving it here. Why don't you join me next year?
In order to address complex things, diseases like Alzheimer's disease, which is what I work on, and I'm sure many people have experience with this horrendous disease, and how do we go about trying to treat it? I think the first steps are to try to understand the disease at the cellular level. Cell biology is really important to the fundamentals of medicine today. Most people don't appreciate that. And I'm hoping by taking my course that I can convey how important cell biology is, how amazing discoveries have occurred at the basic level in cell biology have now translated to major advances in medicine. My name is Dr. Rob Cummings, and I'm a professor here at Western.
I'm a plant molecular biologist, geneticist, so you can see there's two components to that. I'm excited about plants because they're the coolest thing. You might think they don't do much and just sit around, but that's actually not quite true because they really have to deal with their environment. And because I'm a molecular biologist, I'm interested what happens on the inside of the plants while they're doing that. So I investigate how molecules move, how they interact, what they're doing in order to be able to survive in an ever-changing environment. And that's not what you can do with a lot of other kinds of organisms. And these kinds of interests, I bring them to class. I try to explain it to you. I explain you why plants are so diverse, why they have such cool genetic principles, how they're similar to other organisms, and how they are really different too. And that's what I can do. My name is Susanna Kahalmi, and I would love to meet you all.
I'm your academic counselor for the Department of Biology, and I'll be the one that helps you through your degree. My door is always open, and I hope you take advantage of that. We have a varied number of courses throughout the program, ranging from plant biology, animal biology, cell, and genetics. We have 8 honors degrees that you could look at, and we have other modules that you can share with another department. Our staff of professors, TAs, and administrative staff are all very supportive, and we're all looking forward to your success. My name's Brenda, and welcome to biology.
I decided to come to Western because of its animal behavior program. But when I got here, I was introduced to all that biology has to offer: genetics, cell biology, ecology, and organismal physiology. And I discovered I was actually passionate about cell biology. This program is flexible, and I was able to pivot from being in animal behavior into the honor specialization in biology module. And I know it'll be flexible for you too. It's going to help you find what you're passionate about and find what gets you excited about science and biology. I know it did that for me. I'm now a PhD candidate studying cell biology. Now, you may be a little intimidated knowing that your class sizes are going to be pretty big, but I promise you're going to be able to find lasting friendships and connections in your lab courses and in all of your classes, people who you might just be sitting beside. I know I did. Your professors and your graduate TAs are so caring, and they just want you to learn and succeed in biology. My name's Danielle Spice. I'll see you soon.